Hello, this is Mike from Your Car Dealer Bond. I just wanted to get this content out. I get this question all the time, and it's really trying to understand from a used car dealer's perspective why they would need uninsured motorist coverage. Uninsured motorist or insurance right now is mandatory, has been in California for 30 years. To at least have liability insurance. So if you're found legally at fault for an accident, this is going to pick up the damages. The problem is that there's only $15,000 worth of damage per person, $30,000 per accident of bodily injury. It's just the bodily injury. So $15,000 per person. If more than one person is injured in the accident, it's going to pay for $30,000 maximum. And then there's a minimum of $5,000 for property damage. So you can see pretty quickly that the vehicle that they may crash into you while you're driving. And again, if they're legally at fault, not you at fault, they're at fault. They have insurance. That's going to exhaust after $15,000 of medical insurance per person, $30,000 for the accident, $5,000 for the property damage. So in states like California, uninsured and underinsured motorist all comes in the same package. So you get both of those coverage. They charge you by the number of dealer plates. That's what they're pinging off of. How many dealer plates do you have? You have 5, you have 1, and based on that number, they give you, it's usually about 80 to 90, it's like $90 a piece. And that'll give you $60,000 worth of bodily injury coverage. So you've got that medical coverage then that would kick in for the accident. And then you would have, that's for the total accident. That's not per person. So that's for the total accident. And then they're going to waive your, if you've got physical damage coverage, this will pay your deductible. So this way, if you've got, mostly everybody's got $1,000 deductible. Most dealers will have $1,000 deductible. This will waive that completely. If you don't have physical damage on the inventory, this will give you $3,500 towards it. It's the way that your inventory vehicle would be handled in terms of the damage to that. So in a nutshell, that's uninsured motorist coverage in the state of California for a used car dealer. And again, it's uninsured and underinsured, so it really does also kick in, not only if the person doesn't have insurance at all. So keep that in mind. And, depending on how many dealer plates, it really could be a steal for you in the long run in terms of just your presence of your peace of mind, number one. And number two, let's say you bought it over a 5-year period, the chances of you getting hit by somebody who's not insured or underinsured, that it barely is carrying the minimums. They're called accidents for a reason. You guys take care out there. This is Mike from Your Car Dealer Bond.